Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with 4 new DAX functions that are round, round up, round down and then MROUND. We'll be watching all these 4 functionalities into this video. So let's get started with the video. To create all the calculated column, all the against all the 4 DAX functions, we'll be using this new column option here, which we will create a calculated column there, and for each of the functions, DAX functions, we will create each of the separate columns. For that, I will be clicking over table tools and then new column, which will create a calculated column for us. And first, we will see what's how this round is working. So in round, we can just pass a function that is this round, and which is expecting 2 parameters that are number and number of digits. Number you can provide something like any of the number you can provide, which should be, suppose, decimal I am providing, so that it will be much more explanative. So suppose 4-digit number I am passing it, 4 to 5 digit I have passed. After that, decimal, fine. Now it is asking for number of digits, rounds a number to a specific number of digits. How this number of digits specifies here? So suppose if 0 if you are passing here, that means it this once the place it will be taken up. If -1 you are passing up, it will be taking up 10th place of the number. If you are passing -2, it will be taking up this 100th place of the number. So what is this one's place and then 10th place and then 100th place and so on? It's nothing but it will round up till that. Whatever, suppose if I am passing up 0 here, so it will round up this 6, whatever the 6 it is over there, into this at the ones place. It will just convert that, it will round that particular number, and that particular number, this will be up, moved up or down, that which is on the 10th place. That means this particular one has been rounded off and this has been moved up or down. That means whole of this number, you can say. So I will take 1 to 2 example. It will become clear to you that what it is basically telling. So let me wrap it up and then click on OK. You can see that all the places whatever after decimal has been disappeared, that is totally rounded to 0, and whatever it is over here, that means at the ones place, that is 6, it is basically converted to, you can see here that 1 2 3 4 5 6 it is there, right? So on 0th position, since after this it was 2, so it has been converted to, it is same as 1 2 3 4 5 6. If suppose now I am passing -1, you can see that 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4, and then 6 it has been moved to, correct? That means this particular 6, whatever it is here, it has been zeroed off, and this 5 has been moved up because it is greater than 5 as per the rounding convention. It is above than 5, that's why this 5 has been moved to up, that is 6, and this 6 has been moved to 0. This is only the rounding, right? And if we are making it -2, clicking over it, you can see that these two positions has been moved to 0 0. That means it has been rounded. And this 4, since 5 is after means whatever number equals to 5 or more than 5, if suppose it is holding after this particular position, it will be moved up. That means rounded up, which is converting to this 4 to 5. That means it is becoming 1 to 3 and then 5 and then double 0. So as we will move to -3, -4, it will shifting towards left. So this is how this round function works. Now let's jump to another functionality. For that we will be taking up a new column. We'll rename it as column underscore roundup. We will take the DAX function roundup, in which it is expecting a number and the number of digits. Correct. So number again we are passing same number 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 2 5 3 6, suppose something like this, and it is expecting another again another set of parameter, that is number of digits, and it is telling round a number up away from 0. So if suppose 0 this time we are passing it here. Let's see what it does. It will just round up whatever things will be there, it will round up that thing. So it has been 1 2 3 4 5 and then 7. If suppose we are passing here -1, so it is now rounding up to this particular one. So whatever round was doing, it is executing exactly the same. The positioning and the digits to be picked up is everything same, but only difference is it was rounding down also. That means it was checking that what the other number are, remaining number are. Basis of that, it was just rounding up or rounding down. This 5 was becoming was remaining 5, or it was going to 6. It was depending upon what the next number is. That is, if it is 6, it is 5, it will go up. If it will be less than 5, 4 3 2 1 anything, this particular 5 would have been 5 only. But in this case, it will only go up, which is 1 2 3 4 6 and then 0. It will not go, it will not be remain same. That means it will not be like 1 2 3 4 5 0 in any of the case in this round up. Similar thing goes for round down. Let me click on new column so that we can create a new column. Underscore round down. This round down number what we will pass here is same. We can pass 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 2 5 3 6. Number of digit is it is asking. So suppose we are passing here -1. Let's see what it is doing here. You can see that whatever number was 1 2 3 4 5, it it let it be same. That means 1 2 3 4 5 and then 0. Since it is -1, it made it 0. This particular position whatever it is having, it made it 0. But this particular position 1 2 3 4 5 whatever the number is, it neither have been moved up or neither it has been decreased. It remains same, which is in terms of rounding it is called as rounding down. So that is round down. Now another functionality we are having, which is the very confusing thing, also very confusing DAX function, that is MROUND. So let me first rename the column as MROUND. We'll take MROUND here. This MROUND is nothing but whatever number you are passing over here, and whatever round after the rounding, whatever result you will get into your calculated column, that particular result will be divisible by its multiple, exact divisible. What you can say that it will not leave any remainder against after division. So suppose you are taking up a number that is 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6, whatever we were taking up there, 2 5 3 6. Now it is asking for multiple. What it is asking, why it is asking for multiple? This multiple is nothing but if suppose you are passing here 2. Now what it explains, this particular number will be rounded up the nearest to the nearest value. That value will be exactly divisible by 2. What I am trying to tell is, let me just click over it and show you what it is resulting in this case. You will get to know, and it will be crystal clear to you. Here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 has been exactly same as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Why so? Since it is divisible by 2. If we will make it this 1 2 3 4 5 6 is divisible by 2. If you will divide this 1 2 3 4 5 6, you will get remainder as 0. Nothing remainder you can get in after dividing this 1 2 3 4 5 6 by 2. If you are dividing it by 3, that means if you are taking the multiple of 3 and then rounding, what it will do is, since this particular number is also divisible by completely divisible by 3, that's why it kept it as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let me take some other numbers as 7. So this particular number has been now rounded up to 1 2 3 4 5 and then 9. Instead of 7, instead of 8, it became 9, right? Right from 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 1 2 3 4 5 9. What it depicts? It depicts basically this 1 2 3 4 5 9. If you will go on calculator and if you will divide it by 7, you will see that you are getting 0 as the remainder. So that is only the thing it is trying to achieve. Whatever you have passed here as a parameter, it has divided that particular, means it has rounded up or down, and then it has been divided by this particular multiple. It is since completely divisible, that means it is not leaving anything, any remainder beside it, so it is just provided as the result 1 2 3 4 5 9. So you can play around with it, and you can just go ahead with different set of combinations and different such examples and try against it. So I think the video you found you helpful, and if any confusion, let me know into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Stay tuned to the channel for upcoming DAX functions. Thanks again.